What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at some true audiophile earbuds. Okay, so for all the sticklers out there, they're not technically earbuds, they're IEMs, inner ear monitors. Most people don't know that, but the earbuds, quote unquote earbuds, the ones that actually stick in the ears, those are technically IEMs. Earbuds are more like the AirPods, the ones that actually just kind of sit in the ear. These ones actually come from a company called iKKO. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Now these ones by far are not the cheapest ones out there, but that is because these are more on the professional grade of IEMs. They have a very competitive price in this realm of earbuds or IEMs. These ones are about 140 bucks. From what I've heard, they are absolutely premium sounding and they look amazing. They're saying that it's super rich bass. These have an aviation grade advanced lightweight alloy sound chamber. They only weigh about 6 grams. And if you haven't noticed by the thumbnail, they have a very unique style, which gives them a very unique comfort because they're actually made to form really comfortably in a typical ear. Oh, ooh. Oh, those look really nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm liking the looks of these. Wow. All right, shh. If you want to take a closer look at the technical specifications, there you go. I'm not sure what this, oh, warranty, okay, so you got a warranty card. Okay, cool. Oh boy. Oh, whoa, look at that cable. Yeah, this definitely looks premium for sure. Now, I would say that those who are serious audiophiles or musicians, these are gonna probably be in your realm, or those who wanna step up their game and get into that real professional audiophile quality out of some IEMs or earbuds. Again, I'm using earbuds as a general term. I'll probably say earbuds multiple times. Don't be mad, all right? Leave the comments friendly. And then on the inside, we've got this very nice velvety feeling pouch. Okay, now this is really just cardboard to hold the extra ear cuffs, but you can see you've got large, medium, and small. And then looks like we've got super extra small maybe, or just kind of different. Oh, they're a little more stiff actually. These ones are a lot more loose, feel a little more comfortable to the touch at least. All right, now the cable itself is 1.2 meters long. Now it's this crazy like chain link kind of braided cable. Definitely digging that. It feels really sturdy though. This is made out of, I'm guessing, aluminum. And then here is the ends where you plug them in, and these also have the gold coating. Also has a protective tubing over here, so that's a lot more comfortable, and it keeps that form to curl around the ear. Wow, those are cold to the touch. Yeah, these are metal. These are aluminum. Man, look at those. These look sick. It's definitely metal. These look like they are the shape of an ear. All right, I'm gonna go with the medium size. Wow, that's like a hearing aid. Look how perfectly flush that is inside the ear. Oh yeah. That is like the most comfortable fit ever. Now you just plug them in like this, very simple. Push it in, and there we go. Now, I already do not doubt that these are gonna pass the shake test for sure. They almost feel like a medical device. They're that premium, like the metal and just how perfect they feel. I've got a perfect seal right now. Oh man, these are super clean. I feel like a musician right now. All right, they didn't budge at all. All right, I'm gonna do a little hip hop instrumental. Wow. Oh my God, the bass is so real. All the little instruments in the bass, everything is super clear. Like, Wow, it's really good. It sounds like Rihanna is speaking in my ear hole. I'm gonna just do a little bit of bass boosted. Wow. Okay, so, oh my God, the bass is amazing. That is the clearest bass I've ever heard. Okay, so usually with the bass boosted, a lot of times the bass is actually boosted. It causes a little bit of distortion to mids and highs, a little bit. But that's the point of the test, is just the bass really. But I gotta say, these almost like correct that completely. All of it, around, just across the board is super clear. Even with it at max volume, that bass is thumping in the center of my skull, and I still comfortably hear the highs and mids like really well. These are on another level. These are fantastic, like really good. Not only that, but they look super sick. I mean, they're super clean. Look at that. The shape of them is absolutely perfect to the ear. I know everybody out there has a different size ear and the shape and everything, but they didn't mold this to my ear, and it fits so comfortably. Especially once you get them in your ear and you leave them on for a couple minutes, the coldness of the metal completely goes away, and it absorbs the temperature of your own ears, so it almost becomes like a part of you. I can see why they're $140. They're not gonna be for everybody. They're not gonna be for everybody. But they are gonna be for everybody who really wants to hear their music. For those who have stuck around and know how I kind of rate things, since I've never really come across or had the opportunity to review IEMs of this quality, I don't know where to really place these. I'm just gonna say that they're really good. The bass, the mids, the highs, even at their peak, they're very comfortable to listen to. Even at the highest volume, it doesn't pierce the eardrum. You know, whenever you hear a certain, you know, high-pitched sound, sometimes it's like, and you gotta take them off. Not even that. It was very comfortable, it was very clear. Considering the size of these, I am really impressed at the amount of bass and the clarity of the bass that are coming through on these things. I'm happy about these. I'm definitely happy. So far, the best earbud / headphone style tech I've looked at of 2019. I mean, we just started, but this is a great way to start the year off, I'm just saying. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. Definitely go check these out. I'll leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.